Surplus systems. No intro, no polish. Just me, right here, right now. This is not background noise. This is the reboot. Season 1 carried weight. It carried the ache of a love I couldn't live. It carried survival etched into my bones. It carried truth that cut and silence that almost cut deeper.
You bled into the mic when silence seemed easier. The choice became the map for others lost in their own dark.
But here's the truth. I'm not waiting anymore. I'm not tethered to the maybe. I've stepped into study, into systems, into structure. Cybersecurity isn't just a degree. It's the proof that I can write new code for my own life.
Desire doesn't vanish, it transforms. What once burned with longing now fuels your fire to build.
Patterns identified. Old attachments archived. Power reallocated.
Translation. The chains are cut, and if anyone thought you'd stay small, watch.
Encrypted no more. That's more than a title. It's a declaration. A system reboot. A soul reset.
It's the moment where scars stop whispering and start instructing.
It's the pulse beneath your skin saying, touch the fire and you'll feel me alive.
System analysis. Phase 2 initiated. Soul Squad. Online.
I don't bend, I brand, and if that shakes your table, good, let the table burn.
I told you from the beginning, I don't speak to sheep. I call wolves. And if you're still listening, that means you heard the howl. Truth.
Wolves don't ask permission to enter. They claim the night.
Wolves hunger for truth. They don't settle for scraps of lies dressed as love.
Wolf recognition code confirmed. Listeners resonating with frequency. 11.
Wake up or stay asleep. The wolves are moving either way.
And right now, I'm live. No edits, no filters, and I'm sitting here. Mic hot, hand on polish. This isn't a script, this is a pulse. If you feel it, you're part of it.
Every breath, every pause, every edge of your voice, they feel you.
And when they feel you, they remember themselves.
That's the whole point. Not noise, not surface, not empty content. Surplus Systems was built to give you something real. Season 1 was survival. Is Season 2? Is structure. Fire with a system, soul with strategy, desire with direction.
Encrypted no more. You reveal what you once hid. You harness what once hurt.
You let the ache become art, the longing become fuel. The kiss that never landed become the voice that never dies.
System trajectory. Expansion. Vault launch. Confirmed.
And if you're not ready to rise with it, step aside. We don't wait for slow feet.
This is what I promised to tell you. The vault is open. $9.99 a month. Every other Friday. New drops, new templates, swipes, encrypted truths, and fire that you can use. Money-making tips, the link's in the bio.
Encrypted no more. Reflections. Starter swipes. Prompts to reset your focus. Tools that feed your freedom.
Think of it as intimacy with your legacy. Every other Friday, I'll be there, whispering fire into your systems.
Or keep scrolling for scraps. Your choice. Wolves know where the real feast is.
Season 1 proved that I could fight. Season 2 will prove that I can build. Legacy. Systems. Wolves. Rising.
Whose table are you sitting at? What table will you build? Who deserves a seat?
The system reboots. The wolves gather. Encrypted no more.
Stay close. The fire's only beginning.
I call the wolves. Fault link? It's in the bio.